Are you ready for a career that puts you on the cutting edge of technology? A stable, lucrative career with amazing opportunities for advancement? A career in the automotive repair industry has always been a good option. And today, it's more exciting than ever, as technologies advance, driving innovation and delivering on an ever-evolving future of transportation. From hybrid engines to the latest in connectivity, the tech is advancing fast, and your career can advance just as quickly. This isn't just a job, it's a career right from day one. Whether you're passionate about high-performance engines, modern automotive technology, or cutting-edge electric vehicles, the automotive industry is your path to success. As you gain experience and certifications, your income will only grow. And here's the best part, you don't need years of schooling to get started. In just a few months, you can be on your way. With scholarships and tuition reimbursement options, getting there is more affordable than ever. Backed by industry leaders like MEMA and the Auto Care Association, you'll have the resources and support you need to thrive. You'll be equipped to enter the workforce quickly and start earning sooner than you think. You will always be in demand in a stable industry. Plus, with ongoing advancements in automotive technology, your abilities, talents, and skill set will keep growing as you continue to learn. The road to a successful, fulfilling career is right in front of you. Don't wait. Take the wheel and drive your future forward. Start your journey in the automotive repair industry today.